In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 1099 from QuickBooks. If you pay independent contractors through the year, this walkthrough will show you how to get their 1099s ready and printed from QuickBooks Online, clearly and correctly. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. Make sure you're in the right company file before you proceed, especially if you manage more than one. Once your dashboard loads, you're ready to move into the Contractor area. From the Team section, go to Contractors. Depending on your setup, you might see Contractors under Payroll or in a similar spot on the left menu. The goal is simply to reach the list of your contractors in QuickBooks. Here you can quickly check that each contractor you paid during the year is listed. It's a great moment to confirm they have a valid tax ID and mailing address on file so the form prints accurately. Next, click Prepare 1099. QuickBooks will walk you through the preparation flow. Use this screen to review who qualifies for a 1099. Confirm the correct tax year and make sure your payment categories are mapped to the right 1099 boxes. If you paid contractors by credit card or certain payment networks, those amounts are typically reported by the processor and are excluded here, so focus on check and direct deposit payments you made through your books. Verify thresholds and choose the correct form type, such as 1099 NEC for most non-employee compensation. Take a moment to double-check names, addresses, and taxpayer identification numbers so what you print matches IRS requirements. When your information looks good, head to Taxes, open the 1099 area, and select Print. Choose the tax year and the contractors you want to print for. If QuickBooks offers both e-file and print options, pick Print for Mail. Load your printer with the correct pre-printed IRS forms for copy A if you're printing that, or use plain or perforated paper as allowed for recipient copies depending on your supplies. For best results, print a test page on plain paper first and hold it against the form to ensure fields line up. In your print dialog, set scale to 100%, turn off Fit to Page, use portrait orientation and print in black ink. Avoid double-sided printing and make sure any pop-up blockers are disabled so the print preview opens properly. That's it. After printing, place the copies in envelopes, mail them to your contractors by the deadline, and keep your records organized. QuickBooks keeps the 1099 area handy if you need to reprint or make minor corrections.